Want to know how to save money in Google Ads? Well, you're in luck. Today we're revealing 7 professional tips to help you get more bang for your buck. Get ready to take notes and save some serious cash. First on the list is understanding your audience. Spend time researching your target market. What are their interests? What motivates them to buy? The more you know about your audience, the more effectively you can tailor your ads. This reduces wasted clicks and increases your return on investment. Coming in at number 2 is utilizing negative keywords. This feature allows you to exclude search terms from your campaigns and help you focus on only the keywords that matter to your customers. By using negative keywords, you prevent your ads from showing up for irrelevant searches, saving you money on useless clicks. Thirdly, optimize your bid strategy. Google Ads offers several bid strategies tailored to different kinds of campaigns. Depending on your goals, whether it's maximizing clicks, targeting search page location, or targeting outranking share, choosing the right strategy can significantly decrease your costs. Our 4th tip is quality over quantity. Google rewards relevance and user experience. Improve your quality score by creating relevant, high-quality ads and landing pages. A high-quality score can lower your cost per click and cost per action. Next up, number 5, schedule your ads. Running your ads all the time can be costly. Analyze when your audience is most likely to convert and schedule your ads for those periods. This ensures that your budget is spent when it's most likely to get results. The 6th way to save money is geo-targeting. If your business serves only a specific area, make sure your ads only show in that area. By targeting specific locations, you avoid spending money on clicks from people outside your service area. And finally, the 7th tip, test and refine. Always test different versions of your ads to see what works best. Once you find the winning formula, refine it. Continuous testing and refining can significantly increase your campaign's efficiency, saving you money in the long run. To summarize, the 7 ways to save money in Google Ads are understanding your audience, utilizing negative keywords, optimizing your bid strategy, focusing on quality over quantity, scheduling your ads, geo-targeting, and testing and refining. Implement these strategies, and you'll be well on your way to making your Google Ads campaigns more cost-effective. Remember, every cent saved is a cent earned. Now go forth and conquer those Google Ads.